Hi everybody, this is Atiq. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Today I am going to discuss about the July to December 2020 revised dates and guidelines for the NPTEL exam. We all know that the last semester of NPTEL exam, that is January to April 2020 exams has been cancelled, and instead of measuring the exams, the NPTEL team has decided that they will give away the certificates based on the assignment criteria. Okay, so hopefully this time we will expect that July to December 2020 NPTEL exams will be conducted as usual, and let us hope that this worst situation will go away as early as possible, and hopefully we will return to our normal education life. So my dear students and my dear candidates, this time NPTEL has done some changes to the dates related to July to December 2020 exams, course registration dates, okay, and the sessions that a student has to write the NPTEL exam. So what are the changes they have done? Each and everything I am going to discuss in my today's video. So my dear students, the first thing that you need to understand is the date of enrollment of the NPTEL course. Previously, NPTEL must have started the course in July itself. Okay, but what NPTEL has done, due to the current situation, all the NPTEL courses is going to be started on 14th September. So this is the first change that NPTEL has done. And the second change that NPTEL has done is the exam dates. Okay, as it was announced that the NPTEL on July to December 2020 exams should be conducted actually on 27th September and 17th 18th October. But these dates has already been cancelled, and the new dates that NPTEL team has announced is 18th, 19th and 20th December 2020. So on these three specific dates, NPTEL July to December 2020 exams will be conducted. Okay, so on each date 2 sessions, so maximum on 3 dates 6 sessions exams will be conducted on these 3 specific dates. Okay, now this table will clarify each and everything now to all of you. We know that there are 3 types of courses offered by NPTEL. One is a 4 weeks course, another one is a 8 weeks course, and the third one is a 12 weeks course. Okay, so for all these 3 types of courses, the course registration or the course enrollment has already started from May 20 itself. So it is common. Already it is started. Now you can enroll for the course. When the enrollment is going to end, the last date has been extended now to September 21st. So up to September 21st, you can enroll for a 4 weeks, 8 weeks or a 12 weeks course. And when the course is going to be started, actually, when you will get the lecture videos, when the assignments will be started, it will be started on September 14th for all these 3 categories of courses. And the course is going to end on October 9th for 4 weeks course, November 6th for 8 weeks course, and December 4th for 12 weeks course. So depending on the duration, the course is going to end either in October, November or December. And the exam date will be final, and it is fixed 18th, 19th and 20th December. Let us hope that this time the exams will be conducted as per the fixed dates. And sir, when we can enroll for the exam registration, sir? Course registration completed. What about exam registration? You can start registration for the exam from September 14th. So from September 14th, you can register for the exam either for 4 weeks, 8 weeks or 12 weeks course. And the last date to register for the exam and pay the fee is November 2nd. So before November 2nd, you need to pay the fee, that is 1000 rupees for general category. And in case of late payment, the last date is November 6th and you need to pay an extra 500 rupees, that is 1500 rupees. And in case a candidate want to cancel the exam, the date is same, that is November 6th itself. So my dear students, hopefully this table will give you a clear picture and you need to remember all this information. That is, when is the last date for course enrollment, that is 21st September. Okay, when you can start exam registration, that is September 14th. And what about exam dates? December 18, 19 and 20. These are the 3 vital information that you need to remember. And what about the hall tickets, sir? When we will get the hall tickets? So as you know that the exams will be on December 18, 19, 20. Hall tickets will be issued from December 2nd onwards. And the exam results or the e-certificates will be given and it will be sent from January 8th onwards. So these are the tentative dates that NPTEL team has given to us. And the exam fee structure has not changed. What we used to pay earlier, the same amount has been kept by NPTEL. For general category, 1000 rupees without late fee, and with late fee, a candidate has to pay 1500 rupees. And the rest of the things for SC, ST or PWD remains the same. Okay, hopefully the picture has been clear to you now that what are the changes NPTEL team has done this time, and hopefully we expect that this time the exams will be conducted in a normal way. And let us pray to Almighty that this worst situation of this pandemic will be over as early as possible. And let us come back to our normal education life. Okay. So my dear students, in case of any queries, you can put it in the comment section. Hopefully, you can plan your July to December 2020 semester in a very fruitful way this time. Okay. So all the best for your NPTEL exams. Let us hope for the best. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.